Hey guys, today we're here to make a video how to make African vulture on business friendly. Let's start off the skin. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now let's go see. What's oh yeah, here's here's her hair. Now guys, now let's color it. Okay, well, okay, her eyes. Here it is. Let me go get something real quick. God dang it. I tried to use text to speech voices on Gadget videos, but it's kinda hard to do. Well, it's hard how to make videos. That's the I'm confused. What tangent box? God, crap in hand hurts. By the way, her nose, yeah, her nose, here it is. No, yeah, it's like that. Now she look exactly like African vulture from Business Friendly. Okay. Okay, yeah. She's, she looks exactly like it herself. Yeah. Well, I like to tell you this, but African vulture is 200 times better. No. When did no. Mm, mm. So yeah, she always wear black clothes though. So yeah, she still hates Rainbow 107 what he did to her. Well, he always brainwashed his fans to hate her, not just her. Well, African Vulture said that she just delete all her videos on Caillou. Yeah, yeah, and you know what I said? Well, I'm just making another commentary about that. Well, I just made another commentary. Well, I thought I suck at commentaries because Max the Animator's fanboys and fangirls started attacking me and tried to give me copyright strikes for cyberbullying him. What, deep dude? That's not cyberbullying. By the way, let's just get to the subject. Okay. No, that's not what she wears. Oh, yeah. She wears that, but where's the highest? Oh, here it is. Yeah. And make it black. You got two ways. You want to use this one or this. Well, guess what? She got a hate base since like May 2020. I heard that she lied about her ginger. I wouldn't believe that. Rainbow said that. I wouldn't even believe him about that. And I don't even think that she faked her ginger because you know how I can tell. She just made a video about origin story about some guy, a mountless, how he became mountless. Oh, okay. Look close to look. Okay, looks like her, but you can make her a different hairstyle. It's not just this one. No. Why? Oh yeah, rants. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, my plan is to do rant videos, but I cancel the series when Scooby Doo Birthday comes out. But I might premiere it tomorrow. But it's you might find out what his birthday is. You might find out how old he is. Okay, guys, what I'm trying to say is that, damn it, you would. Okay, his shoes is like that, but make it black. You can pick whatever you know the pants she has. You can pick this one or this one I'm using right now. Okay, and now let's pre. Okay, she look exactly like African Vulture. Now let's spell her name. Well, I believe. Okay, I got her Discord server. I could chat with her, but the problem is she quit Discord. So it means that I can't talk to her for a while. So that's the problem. By the way, you what? African Vulture. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so that's how you can spell the name. Okay. African Vulture. Yep. Here he is. I mean she is. But her whole entire clothes, the clothes where you can change the clothes in different way. Like for example, this. Or yeah, no, not that one. Yeah, like yeah, this one. Yeah, here, here she is. Now that's the African vulture that we needed. So that's the real African vulture. I got to say, that's the real African vulture. But the problem is she delete all her a bunch of videos. White Animations brought up the past. What have she done? Dude, can you just stop bringing back stuff? What happened? First, he bring up what happened, the stuff what happened at Brandon Barney. He brought up the past when he says the N word, but finally, he knows the truth. Can White Animations just look at the release date before he saw the problem? Never mind. Okay, here's African Vulture. Okay, but African Vulture, if you're watching this, just how do I do? And remember, guys, you can choose her torso like this or this. Anyways, that's all for this video. Bye, guys.